Yeah, guys, and lawmakers have already passed several bills that ban abortion in different ways in Oklahoma, but the belief was that many of them could have been stricken down through legal challenges. But if this rough draft by the Supreme Court becomes a final draft, such a challenge may not be possible.
It's not often in this country that we move backwards in such a striking way.
Part of my reaction was based on the actual content of it. Obviously, I was very pleased to see the direction that the court is planning on going in this opinion that was leaked.
State lawmakers on both sides of the abortion debate reacting to a rough draft of a Supreme Court opinion leaked to Politico.
This opinion is about as extreme as we could have gotten in this case.
But that draft far from final. Jeremy Tellman is a professor at Oklahoma City University School of Law.
It's certainly not going to be the final version.
A trigger law is already in place in Oklahoma, meaning if Roe v. Wade is overturned by the Supreme Court, abortion would be banned in the state from conception, except when a woman's life is at risk.
It's my understanding that if the court hands down a decision, that the trigger law would immediately come into effect.
So we have had laws on the books since the 60s that criminalized abortion. So basically those would go into effect and it would repeal all of our current statutes that regulate and in some ways permit abortion, and it would just go back to those previous laws.
As we wait for the court to officially rule, which could take weeks or months, Oklahoma's governor signed a bill into law this evening that bans abortions at 6 weeks. It's effective immediately. The ban uses civil lawsuits for enforcement. A similar law has been effective in Texas.
The number of abortions in Texas dropped by nearly 60%.
And that new law signed by Governor Kevin Stitt says anyone who performs an abortion or helps some other get one could face a civil lawsuit.